Welcome back, guys. This is Resourceful Marcus. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, in this video here I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a product for an oscillating sander. Alright, so I'm going to lower this camera down here so you can actually see the unboxing of the product. Alright, tilt it down here. Alright, so I'll open this up here. 127 piece sanding multi-tool blade set. So what happened here is you can see this blade that's on here, I kind of wore the snot right out of it, not just a pad, the actual blade. Took some chunks right out of it. Pop this off. See how stubborn this is to get off. Seized on there. Wow. That ain't good. Ain't good at all, guys. Alright, there we go. Just didn't have the lever over far enough. Alright, so it comes with a bunch of sanding pads. There's two different sizes. There's a really small one and there's a larger one. Now you get two of the large pads here, and you get two of the small blades that the sanding pads attached to. So you get two here, and you get two of these ones. Open this up and see. They even give you a little bag to put everything in. Hopefully this is gonna fit. Let's see here. Yep. Nice. Now, I'm not going to throw this pad away. That's the one that come with this unit when I bought this. Now, let's open up one of these pads here. What the hey? Now, what I like about these ones is you see how it has those holes in there. So when you're sanding, it's kind of letting the holes come off, letting the sand, the dust, not build up on the sanding pad. See that? Alright. I'm just going to put that back on there. Easy peasy. These things are loud, these oscillating sanders. I'm just going to turn it on for a moment. Make sure. He's powerful, guys. Wow. get this pad to stick better here. Break it in a little bit. Alright, so that's the large one. Now, see this one here, you can take that piece off. Eventually I'll just take that piece off and keep that piece, because this triangle piece is going to be a piece of junk, so I end up throwing that away. Now, we got one of the smaller ones here. A smaller sanding blade. This just came in the mail the other day. It was under $30 for all this. Very reasonable compared to a box store. Alright, now let's put a little sanding pad on here. Now when I actually bought this oscillating sander, I never got the little one like this I got with this kit here that I got, which is nice. And let's go ahead and stick that on there. There we go. Let's see how that fits. Let's see how this one fits. See if it fits the right way. It's really compact. Alright, we're in business. So that was just an unboxing of sanding pads and the blades that hold the sanding pads go on for the oscillating sander. Put this poopy one back on. As you can see what I did to it, see the edge here, I trashed it. And for now, we'll stick that back on. I'm not using this today. Okay. Now, there's a little bag. Some little spacers they give you here. I don't need those for my tool anyways. So, they give you a little storage bag here for this stuff. Cute little bag. Put that in there. A bit of extra blades in here. And get my other ones in here that I got my sanding pads on already. And that. And that. And there we go. Pretty nice little storage bag to give you to put it in. That's an extra bonus. Alright, that's it. That was easy peasy. Very reasonable. You would have went to a box store to get all that. It probably cost you $150 for all that. Alright, so that was just an unboxing for little items I had to get for my oscillating sander. Alright, Resourceful Marcus signing off. I will see you again soon. Thank you for watching.